What if you found a coin that talks and gives you anything you want? Rena did. But what she lost after that, she never expected. Rena was just 8 years old. She lived with her mother in a small town. They didn't have much, but every evening, Rena would save 1 rupee from her school snacks and drop it into a glass jar. The jar sat near the window, almost empty, but to her, it felt like treasure. One night, during a thunderstorm, she heard a sound clink, clink. She walked to the jar and suddenly, 1 coin rolled out. It stopped at her feet. And then it spoke. Please don't waste me tomorrow. Rena froze. Did you just talk? The coin said softly, You saved me. You gave me a purpose. Don't lose that. Rena thought she was dreaming. But the next morning, when she went to the shop for a chocolate bar, she remembered the coin's voice. She looked at the sweet, then at the coin, and walked away. That night, the coin whispered again, Thank you. From that day, Rena didn't just save coins. She started listening. She began giving small change to people who needed it. A poor uncle at the bus stop, an old lady selling flowers, even her classmate who had no lunch. Every time she gave, she felt lighter. Years passed. Rena grew older. The jar got full, not just with money, but with meaning. She didn't hear the coins speak anymore. Maybe because now she didn't need their voice. She understood their value. One day, during a school event, the principal asked, Rena, what inspired you to start helping others so young? She smiled and said, A coin once asked me not to waste it. People laughed, thought she was joking, but Rena knew that voice changed her life. Because sometimes the smallest things in our life are waiting for us to listen. Even a coin. If this story made you pause for a second, comment below, even I have a coin with purpose. Please like, share, and subscribe to Why It Works, which support to create more videos for you.